As we installed the custom offer badge on our product page and filled out with the static information like all the headings, description and coupon code etc, and it's visible on all our products. Now in this video I will show you how you can display the offer badge dynamically so that you can display offer badges to the related products only. You can make any section block dynamic with this process. This method applies to any section block. If you are landed for the first time on this video directly, you can watch the detailed process of the previous video for adding this custom offer badge block on the product page. You can watch after watching this video to get the complete overview. Well, let's start the process. Come on your dashboard, click settings button, scroll down and click custom data and scroll down to Metaobjects definition tab. Here we will create the meta object. Click add definition, add the meta object name, product page offers, and you can add short description to get remember its purpose in case if you have many meta objects. Now let's add fields. We will add fields as per the offer badge fields compatibility like badge headings, description, coupon code and method image, or can say accent image, so that we can match and map the related data to the compatible offer badge fields. So let's start with clicking on this add field, and first of all we will choose our single line text, and here we will add the name like heading. You can also write the description as well and keep the remain setting as it is and click on add button. Again click on add field, same add a single line text, and this time we will add coupon code and keep the rest of the settings same and click on add button. Again add field, this time we will choose the file field, and here you can write whatever best suits you. I just write method image, and you can write the description as well so the person will remember the exact type and size of the image. So I just write this. Uncheck this video option and click add button. Next we will choose the rich text here and write its name, description, and keep the settings same and add button. Click on add button. Here you can see all our fold required fields are we created. Now let's save with this. Okay, this meta objects is now created. So here is our step number 2. In this step we will make the product meta fields. So let's make product meta fields. For that, come to here meta field definitions and click on products tab and click here add definition, and here we will create the meta fields. Here we write meta field name like this, product custom offer 1. Okay, you can write description as well to remember the things, and click on select type and search here meta object. This is meta object, click here, and for reference tab you need to choose the meta object we created earlier, product page offers, and keep the rest settings same and hit the save button. I just created one. Let me just create another. We will create total 4 meta fields. So click here name, I just change the number of the name, rest I just keep the same, like I just change 2, and here I just select type Metaobjects and reference product page offers and keep the rest setting is same and hit the save button. So our two metafields is created. Now let me just quickly create all 4 required metafields for each offer badge. I will just change the last number of the metafield name like 234. Now you can see all our 4 metafields are created. I just changed the last digit of the name, rest is the same. Now let's jump to our next step, which is creating entries for our Metaobjects we created earlier. For that, just click content button, or can say content tab. Here in Metaobjects, click on the product page offers. This is our Metaobjects. For that we will create our Metaobjects entry. So click on it, and here you will see like this, and simply press add entry, and here you will see the form we created in our Metaobjects. This is the field we need to fill. This is the actual content for our offers, like heading, coupon code, and method image and description. For heading I just write it. This is the offer heading and I just write this, and of course you can write coupon code, and here you can select the image as well, but I would recommend you to either use coupon code or method image, because if you use both of them it will make the busy space on the badge. So I would recommend you to only use one of them. Like this time we are using get 10. In next badge I will use the image. Okay, and write description here. I just write this and click the save button. You can see our first offer badge is created. Now let's create the second one. You can see our first entry is created. Now let's create another. Click on this add entry button again, and here we will add our second badge. In this badge we don't have coupon code, we are not using coupon code, but method image, and select our these payment icons and write your description like this and hit the save button. Okay, our two Metaobjects entries are created. Now let's create our third. I will fast forward it to save our time. Okay, one more important thing is in this heading I just use an emoji. You can add this emoji after the saving this field, because the emoji is not allowed in handle. So first use plain text, and after that you can add an emoji also. All our 4 entries has been created and ready to use. Now let's see how we can connect to the offer block on product page. So that is interesting, you will learn a lot. So for that, just move to online store, click on the customize button. Here we straight go to our product, like demo product, and here you can see our badges are visible like this, and here is our badge. This is our offer badge block, As I said initially, I just filled out it statically. So these badges are visible on every product page, and we will just remove this and add our connect our meta fields. So let's see how we can connect this. You can see all badges are filled with static data. So let's first of all I just clear all this pre-filled data. Okay, let's fill our badge number 1. For that we need to fill title. So click on this connect dynamic source button, click on it, and you will see this template product, and here you need to search our meta fields we created earlier. Like this, you will remember product custom offer 1 2 3 4, and this is the badge number 1. So we will select 1, and here we just add the heading because this is our heading part. Click on it, and same we will do for our description as well. Of our description, click on the dynamic button and do the same, and this time we will select description. And for coupon code, click dynamic button, go to our product custom offer badge number 1, and this time we will select coupon code because this field is related with our coupon codes, and this is our image field. So click on this dynamic button, go to product custom offer 1 and select this method image. Now you can see closely we filled all the information related to their field. Like for title we added heading, or description we added description, for coupon code we added coupon code, and for image we added image. Similarly we will do for our badge number 2. Let's see. Click this dynamic button. This time we will go to product custom offer 2, click on it, and same again, same process. Click on heading, and select description. For coupon code, select coupon code like offer badge 2, and here we will select coupon code. For image, product custom offer 2 and method image, like this. Let me just quickly fill all the badge number 3 and 4 with the same method. Alright guys, here you can see I just filled out with all the badges with our dynamic meta fields, and you can see this looks something like this. Every field is connected with the dynamic field, and you need to save, hit the save button. And here you can see nothing is visible yet, but why, you can check. But where is the problem? If you know the problem, just let me know in the comment box. If you don't know, just write I enjoying this video. This would be really fun to read all of your comments and learning for others as well. Okay, I hope you wrote your answer. Before moving ahead, let me quickly just inform you about my Shopify services. If you wanna build a professional Shopify store or wanna redesign existing store, any customization and small tweaks, you can WhatsApp me, link in the description. So now let's just solve this problem. Actually this is not a problem, but a missing step. For this missing step, we will go to our product listing, because in this page we will reference our products to the offers, like the offers we want to display on a particular product. This time we will choose this product, like these shoes, and as you come down here you will see all our 4 meta fields are listed here, but these meta fields are empty now. So for badge number 1 we just click on it and click on select entry, and here you will see all our 4 entries are created here. You can create entries as many as applicable your business requirement. So here we just select our first offer badge, which is get 10% off. Custom offer 2, we will select this free shipping. For this product I just select 2 offers, get 10% off and free shipping for now, and hit the save button. Now let's reference other product as well to check the difference between. For this time we will use this our cap product, and same again come down, and on this product we will display our only one offer, which is get 10% off. Hit the save button, and let's choose our another product. Just pause these black shoes, and in this product we will use all the 4 offers badges. So let's click one by one. Here you can see I just select all our 4 offers for this product. I just make this kind of differences because I want to display you the difference between product page. So let's check what magic happen on our product page. This is the crux of all our hard work. So go to our product page. Now on this product you can see all 4 badges are visible, and now let's refresh it, and here you can see our get 10% off and free shipping badge only visible on this product page. Now let's check our another product, which is this cap product. And on this product I just select only one offer, and you can see only one offer is visible here. People can copy it by tapping on it. And now finally let's see our third product. And here you can see on this product we added all our 4 offers, and they are listed here like this, you can see. Now let's check another product that we didn't add anything, and here you can see nothing is visible here because we didn't add anything to this product. So this is the really important thing, because the information we want to display dynamically only visible to the related products only, and this is the real pure beauty for this method. So you can customize it as per your requirements. And one more thing I want to let you know, you can add this badge, best offer badge, and this product highlight badge also with the same method I just described in earlier video. You will get the link on the last part of this video. Okay guys, thank you so much for your love and support. If you like the video or learn something productive, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to leave your comments, and you can follow me on Instagram as well. Thank you for your support.